Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys lock screen password setting. And today video title is guys how to update and how to change oppo mobile lock screen password. Friends, you want to set and you want to change oppo mobile lock screen password, you want to set new password on your lock screen. So friends, now let's see how to change and update oppo mobile lock screen password. One by one we will talk about. So friends, you can see I have 4-digit password in my oppo mobile, and I will enter my password. Unlock your phone. After unlock your phone, open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and biometric setting, and open your device lock screen password setting. After turning guys oppo mobile lock screen password setting, enter your password. After enter password friends, if you click here your turn off password, your lock screen password will remove, and you have your biometric password, your fingerprint, face lock password. You have face lock data, so your face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic. Friends, click here modify password, enter your password. After enter password, use a password, use a different password type. Click here, you can select your new password type and you can use in your oppo mobile. Pattern password you want to use, you can select pattern password, you can use pattern lock. If you click as a 4-digit password, so again you can use your pin lock password. You want to use 6-digit password, so friends you can use 6-digit password. And if you click here 4 to 16-digit password friends, you can use long digit password. 4 to 16-digit password you can use in your oppo mobile. And friends, you want to use alphanumeric password, your name password lock you want to use, so you can use name password lock also. So friends, now select your password type, pattern, 4 digit, 6 digit, 4 to 16 digit, and alphanumeric password. So friends, now we will use name password lock, and I will enter my name password first. Friends, you want to use any pin password, so you can use also. I will enter my name and my password is 00. Next, remember your password. If you forget your password, if you do any mistake here in your oppo mobile, you will have to factory reset. Friends, lock your screen. You want to unlock your oppo mobile, so friends you can unlock your oppo mobile with new password. Enter password. So as you can see, pin lock password will remove. You have alphanumeric password. Enter your alphanumeric password, you can unlock your oppo mobile. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile lock screen password setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.